I gotta go. Everything, we're okay, all right? Oh, what the fuck?
Nou, verdorie, hele is kapot.
Nou, die oude rijdt er nooit meer uit.
Nee.
As Nasawada lay on the slab, sweating and shivering, every part of her body aching with pain, she found herself in more precious of time, if only so he could again free her from her agony. When at last the door to the eight-sided chamber swung open, she was unable to suppress her relief.
All right, baby.
Thank you so much.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, baby. Let's go.
ZPB Atlanta with news and information from Georgia Public Broadcasting, 88.5 FM, Georgia State University, WRAF, and
And so I'm trying to get around this truck, and he won't let me get in front of him. He's literally gonna fucking kill me. He's gonna kill me. Okay. I'm trying to go around him, letting me. I'm putting my blinker on to pass him, and he's not letting me. What the f*** is your problem? What is your problem? You cat!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus! Oh.
Wiped out, remember, back in March. Looking back at it all, she knows she did this to herself, that she's responsible. But Bachman also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, that they sat back and watched it happen. That's why she sued. Because of the terms of the settlement, Bachman and Caesar...
Test detected. Connecting to the emergency call center.
It looks like his beard. I say his dick looks a lot like his face.
He should put glasses on it.
Yeah.
I was gonna say he should put an eyes, eyes, glasses, a nose, and then bury the mouth in that bush.
You guys hit your cars all the time. Fucking, my bad, dude. Fucking.
Oh my god, bro. My life just flashed before my eyes.
Who's yelling?
Holy shit.
Idiot, could very well be family ties. Yeah, I rewinded that to make sure I heard that right.
I have been wondering that same thing for years.
That's a yield, you stupid motherfucker! Holy shit, brother. Fucker didn't even look at all. Just poking a bit on this side.
Fauci man, that's all come out in court. That's a whole other subject. I want to add a little bit in the next segment. And that's come out in court.
Holy shit.
Court. Okay.
The court. That's why we don't drive those in the fucking.
Not what radio drop. What a minute. My God. Oh no.
Okay. Well.
Whoa! Whoa! Gee, we must have saw a really bad.
January. This is Manuel Oliver, and I'm being made to